Forbo decided to get involved in the festival because firstly we were asked by Hemingway Design. We also feel it's quite important to be part of the community where we manufacture. It's a really nice festival to get involved with because it changes the dynamic and the way we look at our product. So it adds just an extra aesthetic and creativity to what we're doing.
The opportunity to do something with a manufacturer and look at large-scale manufacture of textiles is, it was, a brilliant chance. And while I didn't know when I applied for the festival who I would be teamed up with, it's been brilliant to be teamed up with a textile manufacturer, to sort of really push the ambition of my work, and also to take on that challenge of working with brand new materials in a totally new context. The journey I take when I'm making new work is to really just play and experiment in the studio. The materials themselves are really important, how the materials are, how they behave under different actions. So what happens if a fabric is cut, what happens if yarn is wrapped around fabric. I'll just experiment and work quite freely with my hands.
Our process for creating a new carpet tile range, it is similar, but obviously there's far more commercial element to what we do, and also far more technical elements because the products that we make have to meet a heavy contract specification. It's a kind of juxtaposition of creativity, of looking at trends. It's a very three-dimensional process because we also develop the yarn that we use in each of our products, the product itself in terms of the tufting construction, and finally the colour range that we work with.
Yeah, I was really delighted actually by the challenge of working with quite a specific material. This was a whole new technique that I was going to be introduced to in terms of tufting in this way. So yeah, I was just really excited to have something slightly tricky to think about. And it's always interesting to see the audience's reaction. It's always a nice moment to just sort of stand back and watch people go up to the work and talk to each other about it and point and, have a curiosity about it.